In this video, I'll show you how you can prevent anyone from adding you to a WhatsApp group. To support this channel, kindly subscribe and like. As you can see here, I have this contact who tried to add me to a WhatsApp group, and because I have restricted my phone, they were not able to add me to the WhatsApp group, but instead I got a private message from which I can decide to join the group or to decline the request. So let me show you how I was able to set my phone on the same. So come to your contacts and press on chats. From chats, go to the three buttons that are on top right of your screen. From here, select settings, select privacy. Now from privacy, scroll down and look for groups. Tap on the groups, and as you can see, who can add me to groups, you can see here is everyone. Now to restrict anyone from adding you to any WhatsApp group, simply select the third option, my contacts except. So from here, you can select all of them not to be able to add you to any WhatsApp group. As you can see here, 806 will be excluded from being able to add me to any group. If you're okay with it, press OK using the green tick on the bottom right of your corner. And now here, as you can see, 806 contacts have been excluded from being able to add me to any WhatsApp group. Whenever anyone tries to add me, I'll get a private message and then I'll decide whether or not to join the group. You can exempt other people from the restriction, and if you want any of your contacts to be able to add you directly to any WhatsApp group, maybe the people within your family circles, you can untick their names and then save, update your settings. As you can see, the number of people who can't add me to any WhatsApp group have reduced from 806 to 804. So only 2 people from my contact can add me to a WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.